What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about why the Wells Fargo rewards portal is better than the Chase and Amex rewards portal. Now, hear me out. Don't exit the video right now. I feel like I just want to go through the portal, and I don't really think that it's better than the Amex portal. I haven't seen the Chase's portal. I haven't really gone through it in depth. I have gone through the Amex portal, which I love a lot of the Amex offers that they have, but I just wanted to show you the Wells Fargo portal, especially since we have the Wells Fargo Propel card, and it gives you a lot of value. You can get 20,000 points, when you spend $1,000 in your first, 3 months, and that can get you about $200 in value. So I just wanted to show you exactly what you can do, what you can expect, how easy it is to navigate through, depending on how fast your internet is, I guess. But they have a great portal, and I don't want to make it look like, the Wells Fargo Propel card just because they give you Wells Fargo points rather than giving you MR points. It looks great, and it gives you a lot of value, and I've used it already 3 times. So, and when I had to book hotels before I had the Surpass card, the Hilton Surpass card. So this is an amazing portal, and we'll get into that in just a second. Before I start, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards, and I'll get into all the details of the giveaway at the end of the video. And you want to know about that, you want to stick around till then because I have some changes to it. So make sure you stick around till that. So let's go ahead and get into this. First, this is the rewards portal. It's very simple, very easy to navigate through, looks very clean. You have flights, hotels, car rentals. You can book multiple experiences, cruises, vacations, all of those things. Now, what I typically did, I go into the hotel, and I have some recent searches that I just, did a couple of searches for. And it's not for me. I'm not going to stay, at a hotel when I'm living here. Now, you can look up the minimum, maximum star for these hotels. You can see all the hotels, which knowing these hotels around, they have some amazing pictures because they don't look that great. But you can see all of the points that you would have, and you would see that it's 1 cent per point. You can see how much it's going to cost right from the start before you even jump into it. So that's absolutely amazing. You can see all the amenities you have here. You can really just go through a lot of things. Like this picture right here. They must have taken this in like the 2000s because it does not look like that. So, but anyways, that's just me venting a little bit. So obviously it's $73 for a reason. So this is really interesting to be able to do that. Now you can also go into use rewards. This is a lot of times where I go. You can redeem your account, so you can take your points and just apply it to your account. But I don't have any reason to do that. What I like to do sometimes is actually get gift cards. It doesn't devalue the points that you're using, which essentially you'll see with like MR points. You can go into Amazon and it'll devalue that to like 0.8 cents per point, which is not good because you want to get a full cent per point at least, especially using the gold card, which has a $250 annual fee. So if I come in here and I wanted to search Best Buy, then I can look up Best Buy cards and I can add to cart. It's going to tell me, what do I want to do, and it's going to tell me how many points up here that it would apply to. So if I do $150, it would only cost me 15,000 points. So basically 1 cent per point. That's absolutely amazing. Now, that's something that I like to do, but then you can also go into other areas. So you can go into use rewards, you can go into merchandise, which I don't like to use because sometimes the prices on things can be inflated a little bit. So if I go into like say, what do I want to do here? Go into electronics. Come on. Go into electronics, go into camcorders because that's something that I really wanted to do. I don't know how much this camera costs, but that's a lot of points. That is damn near 1 million points for this camera. Now, you can go in here and buy anything that you want that's here. Now, it's not anything that's online, but you can buy things that they have on here. So this is absolutely amazing as well. Now, you also can go in here and you can go into Digital Life. You can go into auctions, which is interesting. This is pretty cool if you have auctions. I don't think we have any auctions here. There are no active auctions, so that's not. I seen something earlier where they had an auction, but I guess there's no auctions right now. But they had, I believe it was like a 3 night stay in somewhere, and it was going for, I think, like 30,000 or 40,000 points. So you can have a 3 night stay if you can find a great auction. Now people, I guess, are looking at this constantly, but you can basically get something for 40,000 points or 50,000 points, which would be $500 for a 3 night stay somewhere really nice. So that's absolutely amazing, and I love this portal. Just going through this stuff here. And it makes it really easy. And I wanted to make it simple. I didn't want to make a complex video, but you can actually get some good stuff on this portal. It's not just something very cheap. Like if you wanted to get speakers, I know this is, I guess, a little cheaper, but originally 44,000 points, which could be what, $400? Is that right? So that's amazing. I mean, you're going to get quality things at a limited price here. So this is something that I like. This is something that I like to use here. You can share your rewards. If you wanted to go in here, you can basically look how you can earn rewards faster. You'll go through basically all the categories, and you can basically say how you'll earn rewards faster, and it'll give you all of the different times back that you get, the multipliers. So I really like using this stuff. If you really wanted to get your rewards and use them, then you can get your rewards and use them on different areas. And I'm probably going to use my rewards on like a new camera, because I feel like I need a new camera here, and it's not just going into or using my my phone camera. Even though phone cameras are getting amazing, I want to use like a regular camera here. But I wanted to just jump into this and show you that the Wells Fargo portal can be amazing. It's not something that's super complex. It's very simple. Not something that's overwhelming, but it's also not something that will give you like a crazy amount of value if you try and search for something or something like that. For the Amex offers, you have to go and search for the Amex offers, and then you could find a way to apply that to your card, but not a lot of people know that that's even out there. So it's very tough to even understand unless someone like me told you that the Amex offers are out there, and then people that have an Amex card can say, oh, I never even seen this. First time green card users don't know that they have Amex offers out there. So that's something that I was really interested in. But I really wanted to just show you, just go through a quick demo of the area of the portal, and nothing that was too complex. But that's my video, guys. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Very short, very sweet, to the point. If you have the Wells Fargo Propel card, if you have any Wells Fargo card, check out the portal. You can get a lot of value from that portal. And if you have points, make sure you go ahead and use those points. But that's it, guys. Make sure you hit the like button on this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think. I also do a giveaway, which changed. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards, and all you have to do in order to get those gift cards is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to my YouTube channel, both my YouTube channels, this one and my Clips channel, which will be down in the description. If you do all of those things, then you get 1 ticket in the hat. But if you want multiple tickets, then just comment on multiple videos, and that's how you get multiple tickets. But make sure you subscribe to my Clips channel. I really want to put emphasis on that because we put a lot of time and effort into that, and we want to grow that as quickly as possible, especially since we have a following over here. We want to be able to grow that over there. So make sure you do that. Make sure you support me in both areas. Even if you're not in the giveaway, even if you're not like someone that's heavily invested in commenting in my channel, still go over there and subscribe and let me know what you think of the videos. Negative or positive, let me know what you think of the videos. I really appreciate it. But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to have to get out of here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.